Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
In triangle lesson exercise 2.4, question number 5. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CF triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So as they are given that a main triangle is ABC, you can observe here triangle ABC. DEF are the midpoints of AB, BC and CA. So here ABC is a triangle. So ABC is a triangle. So D is the midpoint of side AB, E is the midpoint of side BC, F is the midpoint of side AC. Okay. So now here you can observe we have three midpoints DE and F. If we join any two midpoints, so look here, if we join, for example, if I join DF is a two midpoints, if I join these two, this line is parallel to the BC, right? Or if I join DE and D and E, 2 points, and this side is parallel to AC. Or if I join EF, this line, so and EF is parallel to AB, that means we can conclude that line joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Okay, this is, you can remember the converse of BPT. So here if we join any two, they had not mentioned midpoints, only they said the line, right? But here particularly we are taking the midpoints. So if we join any two midpoints, that line will be parallel to the third side. Okay, remember that. So the same thing you can observe in the figure here. So here if I join DF, so observe this DF are the midpoints of AB and AC. So here if I join DF, this DF is parallel to BC, right? The same thing we are written. DF is parallel to BC. Observe on DF we have another point E, right? E. So that means this E is dividing the whole BC to the two parts, that is BE and EC, right? So that means I can consider DF is parallel to BE also. DF is parallel to BE also, right? Take it as equation 1. And if we consider here also similarly, if I consider a triangle A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, D, E and F. So in first case, this DE is parallel to BE. Okay, in the same thing, if I consider the next one, that is EF, if I join this EF, so this EF is parallel to AB also, and if D is a midpoint and it is dividing that AB into the AD and DB. So and the same thing here, EF is parallel to DB also. EF is parallel to DB also. Take it equation 2 from 1 and 2. In 1 they are saying that DEF is parallel to BE. In 2 EF is parallel to DB. So from 1 and 2 all these opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. So if opposite sides are parallel, then what we say that it quadrilateral as parallelogram. So that is DB, that is DBEF is a parallelogram. Similarly you can observe, similarly if I consider the next one, that is another parallelogram like this one, DE. If I join this DE, the same thing, DE is parallel to FC, right? And the same DF is parallel to EC. Similarly, you can observe here. So DECF, so DECF is also parallelogram. Mention these 2 points clearly, that is DBEF is a parallelogram, DECF is a parallelogram. Okay, we got two parallelogram. As you all know, if we consider two parallelogram, their opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means I can consider this angle F. This angle F is equal to angle B as by our first one. Look here, if I consider first one, okay, first parallelogram, that is if I consider D, observe if I consider first one, that is DBEF, this parallelogram, this first parallelogram, angle F is equal to angle B because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So consider it as 1. Okay, and we are going for another parallelogram, that is this parallelogram, this one DECF. So if we consider DECF, here also we can consider angle D is equal to angle C. as we can write overall totally we can write opposite sides, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we got two angles equal, right? So as you all know, two angles are equal. So observe here. So using AA similarity criterion, you can observe here. So in triangle A, B, C, and we are having another triangle, that is D, E, F. In first case we got angle F is equal to angle B. In second case we got angle D is equal to angle C. So by using AA similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So why these, till here just we are proving the two triangles are similar. Why? Because if two triangles are similar, then only we can take their area. So after proving triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, then we can take their areas. So what they are saying, what we have to take, the ratio of area of DEF by area of triangle ABC, right? So area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Which are the heights we are taking? DE by AC, so we are considering this DE and AC, whole square, But here DE can also be written as FC because opposite sides of parallelogram. DE, so opposite sides of parallelogram you can write. So FC means I can take it as half of AC. Right, FC is nothing but half of AC. You can observe the figure clearly. So if I consider here, so first we are taking DE and AC whole square because the corresponding sides, right? And this DE is equal to FC also, right? DE is equal to FC. So in the place of DE we wrote FC. FC can be written as half of AC by 2 whole square. So AC, here you can write AC by 2 whole square means you can write AC square by 4. AC square cancel. So 1 by 4 by 1. So you can consider if it is 1 by 4 by 1, you can write it as 1 by 4. So what will be the ratio here? If I consider ratio, it will be 1:4. Observe clearly. First we are considering the triangle. We are taking the midpoints. As if you join any two midpoints, it is parallel to the third side, and that also we can consider half of that parallel side. So by considering that, and we are taking two parallelograms, and the two parallelogram opposite angles are equal, and taking two angles are equal, we proved that these two triangles are similar. Then we took the area of that ratios, area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC, and taking their square of their corresponding sides, that is DE by AC whole square. DE can be written as FC because their opposite sides of parallelogram, and FC can be written as half of AC because it is a midpoint. F is a midpoint. So and AC cancel, so you will get 1 by 4 by 1, so it becomes 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 can be written as 1:4. The ratio is 1:4. So this is about question number 5 in exercise 2.4.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.